G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's product review time once again, and today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. The Big Cheese XL mac and cheese. No, not your computer program. XL means extra large, and well, it sort of is. It's 105 grams or something, yeah. So it's a pretty big product. But I wonder how much cheese is actually in this. Well, let's just find out. Well, the ingredients pass the 81%, and then it's got beverage whitener. Milk powder and everything, 4%, and well, all the rest of the stuff you can imagine. And it's 1670 kilojoules, which means if this tastes any good, you could have like about 5 of these every day and still have a perfect body like the old Gregor. Now it's got some pretty unusual cooking instructions on the back here. How to cook me. Peel back my lid halfway, remove sachet, rip open sachet 1, shake it in. Rightio. Add 225 ml of boiling water and give me a stir. Fold my lid back on. Nuke me in the hot box. Put me in the microwave for 90 seconds on high, stir, then repeat for another 90 seconds on high. Remove me from a microwave and shake in sachet 2. And stir me like mad. Well, reading that just almost made me mad. Give me a rest. I will be like volcanic lava, so I'll need 2 minutes to cool down. You're a chef now. Share your creation on Insta and give us a tag. The Big Cheese. Why would I share you on social media? That'd be just silly. Oh, wait a second. All right, now we know how to cook it. Let's crack it open and suss out what we get inside. Oh, are you kidding me? It's tough. Oh, all right. So here's your sachets, wonderfully numbered, so you can't stuff that up, hopefully. Oh, and there's your noodles inside. Well, they were inside. All right, well, let's start cooking this. I might get the old scissors out, cut that off, and I'll put sachet 1 in first. That looks nice. Creamy looking. Oh, now I got to add 225 mils of water. I don't have a thingammy what's it here. Although I do have a can of Guinness here, and this is 440 mils, and I have a Guinness glass here which holds this can perfectly. So this is 440, so it must be about half a glass of Guinness. Half a glass and a bit. Okay, put that in, stir it around, lid back on, and this goes into the nuker for 90 seconds. 1 minute 30, that's 90, right? Well, I hope so. Alright, well that's the first 90 seconds. Oh wow, it's really thickened up. Give that a stir. And now this goes back in the nuker for another 90 seconds, cuz! Alright, well there's the second 90 minutes. I can probably peel this back now. But that is looking very thick and creamy. So I'll add in sachet number 2. Oh, that looks like the cheesy sachet. Oh, yumma. Oh, it smells good. Now I've got to stir it like crazy. Oh, lucky that I am a little bit crazy. Makes this job a whole lot easier. Oh, yeah. And it's burning my fingers. Oh, and steaming up the camera. Oh, you little ripper. Okay. Oh, gee, that is hot. Yep, there goes my fingerprints. I can't rob a bank now, no one will even know. Oh yeah, still like crazy. Now I'll just let this cool down for a bit before I tuck on in. Sound familiar? Oh, a little bit too familiar. All right, well, let's try the big cheese. Because a big hunger needs the big cheese. Okay, let's go. Well, the pasta's cooked really nicely. It seems to be lacking sodium. It is kind of creamy, but needs a bit of salt. So I'll wax them in. Oh, boy, that's salty. But it does seem to be sort of creamy and tasty enough. The flavours aren't blowing me away, but it still tastes pretty good. And I think this is a $3 product, so mate, for $3 you're getting a decent sized feed that tastes all right. Or does it? Yeah, it does. It's got a creaminess about it, and well, you can taste the cheese in it, and the noodles are really nice, and it actually does taste pretty good. Now, I'm not into my mac and cheese like a whole lot, but this is something that I probably would get again if I was into mac and cheese, because it's not too bad. So, the big cheese mac and cheese. I think for the aggregometer, it would be somewhere around that sort of stage. A little bit above horizontal. It's pretty tasty. Could do a little bit more salt, but you know, you could probably even add some more cheese of your own as well and get it really cheesy. But as a base, it tastes pretty good, and I would get another one of these again. Well, there you go, the big cheese. I think it's $3 from Woolies. If this doesn't fill you up, I don't know what will. Well, I hope this video helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat something cheesy. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the